Yeah, good morning, everyone. So in previous class, I think we started the static control flow, right? So I think we have seen the static control flow within the class. Okay, so now we will see in parent and child, what is how the static control flow will be. Okay, we'll see that one now. Static control flow, parent and child. Okay. Clear? Do you have any questions, guys, on static control flow?
No.
Class what we have discussed on, in previous class, no, right? Fine.
Yes.
So now directly we will write here, guys. Okay. Then we will copy. Class parent. In the class parent, okay, I'm taking static, right? Static int x is equal to 10. Fine. So later, later what I'm taking one static block. Right. In static block, I'm calling show method. Okay. I'm calling what? Show method. Next one, system dot out dot println parent static block. Okay. Or else parent static block. Fine. So
Fine.
yeah. So after that, what I'm taking, so I'm taking public static void main method. String args. Here, main method. Parent main. Fine. So now here I'm taking public static void show method. So here I'm taking, just I'm referring system.out.println of y. System.out.println of y. Okay. So now here I'm taking static int y equals to 20. Okay, guys?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, static int y is equal to 20. So shall we copy the same thing here then? Not required. Huh? Okay, fine, guys. Right. So here, let me call them show method again. Fine.
Yeah, fine.
So this is what parent class. So in the same way, here I'm creating what child class now. Okay, extends parent. So now, in the parent class, here what I'm taking in the child class, stat int a. I'm taking a. A is equal to 100. I'm taking. Fine. So next one, I'm taking what? Let me copy that one. Static block. Okay, guys. So here, let me take display method. This is what child static block. Child first static block. Okay. Child first static block. So now here, after that, let me take public static void main method. String args. Okay. Please watch carefully, okay, while writing program itself. Think yourself, what is the output like that? Okay, fine. So now, void, right? Void. So here, I'm calling display method again. And after that, system.out.println, me copy. Here, child main method. Okay. Child main method. So next one, after main, what I'm taking, you know. So public static void display method. So in the public static void display method, I'm trying to print what? System.out.println. Let me copy this. B. Okay. So next, here I'm taking static block. Will be child second static block. Child second static block. Static block closed. Right. So here, static display main method, right? This is what this one not required. Let me remove this. Now, static inter static inter b. Static int b is equal to 200. Fine, guys?
Yeah, fine.
Clear, everyone? Understood here? So parent
Yes.
class and child class?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now, if I save this program, okay, if I save this program and if I compile this program, how many dot class file will be created, guys? 2 dot class file will be created, right? One is parent dot class, another one is what? Child dot class.
Child dot class.
So now, okay, so tell me, so if I execute child class, right? What will be the output, guys, here? Understand? Shall we continue the discussion here? Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
now,
Yes,
let
sir.
me copy this one into here. Shall we copy? Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Copy it, guys. Now, right. So, let's suppose I'm saving this file. Okay. I'm saving this file by using something. Here, let me write. So Java C, by using file name only we will compile, right?
Yes.
Java C file name dot Java. What is the file name? Let's suppose
So control.
parent child static control flow, right?
Yes.
Let me type parent child, okay, static flow. Simply we'll write. Okay, this is the what file name. So now when we compile this one, okay, what we will get, guys? After compilation this, what we will get?
2 dot class file.
2 dot class file will be created, right? here two dot class file will be created. One is what?
Right.
Parent dot class. Second one is child dot class. Okay. So now I'm trying to execute what? Child class.
Child class.
Java child. Right? When you use Java child, tell me what is the output here? Okay. When you use Java child, what is the output, guys? This is enter keyboard. Tell me, guys. Okay. So what would be the flow? See here. What is the static control flow? Tell me.
Identify the static
First,
member
identify the
in top
static
to
member.
from
The first point is what? Everyone,
Identify
please tell.
identify the static member
First
from
one,
top.
identifying, okay, static members
From
Top
top to
from parent to child now. Parent to child. Understand? Here what? Parent to child
parent to
relationship,
child.
right? So identifying static members from parent to child. That is the first point. So next second point, executing
Static variable
static variable assignments
and static block
and static blocks, right? Static blocks
from
from
parent to
parent to child. That is the third point. Second point. What is the next one? Third point, executing
main method
main method. Executing main method
from
from parent to child. Which class you have given? Child class you have given. Only child. Executing main method of child. Child class, right? Here, which class you have given to JVM? Child class, right?
child class.
Then which class main method will call? Child class main method only will call. Okay. So these are the points. Now tell me here identifying the static members, right? From parent to child. Okay. So how many static members we have, guys, here? How many static members we have parent to child?
Int x equals to 10.
Right?
One.
This is another one.
Static block.
And this one also one. Right?
Main method.
This one. And after that, this one also one. So this one also one. Right? So like this, we have. I did not write. Okay. This one, guys. What do you call numbers? I think already we see, right? So like this, these are the what, guys? Static members. Right?
Yes.
These are all static members or not?
Yes.
From parent to
Yes.
child. Okay. So static variable also comes under static member. Static blocks also comes under static member. And static methods also comes under static methods. Okay. Whether it is main method also. Okay. Is it main method also comes under what? Static member. So first of all, what? Identifying static member. While identifying static member, okay. While identifying static member, here I'm writing. While identifying static member, see here, the first one, static int x is equal to 10. X is what, guys? 0. Who will assign 0? JVM, right?
JVM.
Static int x. While identifying static members by JVM will assign what? Default values to all the static variables. So x is equal to 0. 0 who will assign? JVM. So now that time what is the state, guys? Read indirect, write only.
Read indirect, write only.
Right only.
Okay. So next, after that, here x is completed, all the identifying. Next y, right? So y also is equal to 0. Read indirect, write only state. Fine. Next one, in the same way, a is equal to also 0. Read indirect, write only state. Next one, b equals to 0, right? Read indirect, write only state. Okay. So while identifying the static members, all the static variable status is read indirect, write only. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear.
After that, okay, see here, whenever child class we are giving to JVM, right? Here, Java child. Hey, JVM, please execute my child class. That's what we are telling to JVM. Am I right or wrong? So now, when the child class is loading into JVM, automatically the parent class also will be loaded, guys. Understand? Remember, so when the child class is loading into JVM, automatically its parent class also will be loaded into JVM, guys. Clear that point? When the child class is loaded into JVM, automatically the parent class also will be loaded into the JVM. Okay. So no. So that's why when the static members variables are identified at the time of class loading, right? At the time of class loading only, all the static members will be identified by the JVM, right? Here,
Yes.
which class we have given? Child class we have
Child.
given. Okay, we are trying to load what? Child class. While loading child class, parent class also will be loaded into the JVM. So that's why in parent class static members also, JVM is started identifying. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Everyone. So that's what here identifying static members from parent to child. Why parent to child? While loading child class, parent class also will get loaded into the JVM memory. So that's why identifying static members from parent to child. Clear, everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Please respond.
Yes,
Clear?
yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Fine. So now identifying is completed. What is the next step? Executing static variable assignments and static blocks from parent to child, right? Now tell
Yes.
me parent to child. Next, what it is? Static index is equal to 10.
10.
Now 10 is assigned, right? Now
Yes.
here this one. This is static variable, right? Executing static variable assignment and static blocks from parent to child. Now x is equal to 10. Here, what is the value now? X is 10.
10.
Right? X will become 10. And here, what is the state?
Read
Read
and
and
write.
write. Read and write state. Clear? So now, after that, static block. Now, static block is executing. Fine. So now, here I am writing output, guys. Let me write output here. Here is the output. Okay, we will write output here. Fine. Now, static block is executing, right? In the static block, what we are calling show method, right? So now, so control comes here, show method. From show method, where the control will go? Okay, control will go to this method.
Sure.
No, sorry. Where it is show method? Here, right? Control will go to here, right?
Yes.
No, public static void. So here what we are printing?
Y.
System.out.println y. Okay. So what is the y value now?
0.
0.
0. So output here what? 0.
0.
First output is 0, guys. Fine.
Fine.
Next. So now after that, show method is completed. Once show method is completed, again control will come back to where?
Static block.
Okay. Again
Right.
control come back to here. Here show method is calling, right? So show method execution is completed. Again control will come back to next line. What is the next line here?
Parent
System.out.println
static.
parent static block. What is the output now? Parent static block, right?
Yes.
Parent static block. Okay, parent static block is the output. Fine. After that, this block is completed. Next, so it
Next
will.
is static block. Next is static block.
Yeah, it will see, right? Okay. So next one, the static block also completed. Now it will come. Okay, it will see. Do we have any static variable assignments and members? Here we have static variable assignment. Now 20 is assigned to whom?
20.
Y. Right. So now here what? Y will become what now? 20.
20.
Here guys. Y will become what? 20. Right? Which state now? Read and
Read
write
and
state.
write.
Read and write state. Clear? Read and write state. So after that, what will happen? This block is completed. Now coming to child. Now child, static int a is equal to 100, right? Now this one,
A equal to
execution of static variable assignment. A is equal to 100. Now A will become what now?
100.
A will become 100. I'm writing here, guys. A will become 100. And this is what state now? Read and write
Read and
state.
write.
Read and write state. Okay, fine. So after that, static block execution, right? In the static block, what we are calling? Display method. So where the display method is there? Here, public static void display method, right? From here, control will come to here, right?
Yes.
From here we are calling, right? Now where is display method? Here is the display method. Now this display method is calling system.out.println b.
B.
What is the b value?
0.
0. Right? Output here what?
0.
0. Okay. So now after completion of this static method, again control come back to where? Here.
Static.
Okay. Next state, next line, next statement. What is the next statement? Here,
First,
right?
child first.
System.out.println child first static block. What is the output here? Child first static block, right? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Understand? Child
Yes, sir.
first static block. Child first static block is the next output. Okay. So after that, so this one is completed. This first static block is completed. Now, okay, control will see, do we have any other static block execution or static member variable assignments? Yes, other than after that, what? One more static block here. What is the child second static block, right? Here, what is the
Yes.
output here? Child second static block. Child second static block. Fine. So after that, what we have? Static int b is equal to 20. Static variable assignments, right?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. This one. Now b is equal to 200. Now here see, b will become 200. The value, guys. Okay, and read and write state. Read and write state. Okay, fine. So now the second point also completed.
Yes.
Clear? Now,
Thank you.
now what is the next one? Executing main
Main
method of child class. Executing main method of child class, because we are asking JVM to execute child class. That's what child class main method only it will call. Right, JVM will call. Now, what is the main method here in child class? Where is the main method? Here, right? Public static void main string args. In the main method, what is the first statement? Display method. Again, we are calling what? Display method. Right? This one. Public static void display method. Now in the public static void display method, what is the statements we have? System.out.println of b. What is the b value now?
200.
200. Right? Here output is 200. Clear, everyone?
0.
0 na. 200. B value 200, right? Vani,
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
clear? Okay. B is equal to 200. After display method, what is the next statement we have? System.out.println child main method. Okay. Here what? Child main method. So this is the output. Okay. Clear, everyone? How the static flow will happen if you have any parent and child relation? Any question? Let me execute. Let me save this one. Save as static control flow. What is the file name, guys? Parent and child, right? Parent, child, static flow. Parent, child, static flow. Fine. So now under C, right? Trainings, static control flow. Okay. Java C, parent, child, static flow. Static flow, right? Parent, child, static flow. One error. What is the error? Class names, parent, child, static flow.
Maybe there is a spelling mistake in that.
PA, parent, child, static flow. No,
Child
I think you should not use a class name like this.
class names.
Let me save it in another way. Save as
Since we are calling child class child.java, it is expecting.
child flow, parent. Parent, child flow. Parent, child flow. Okay. Let me save it like this. So now Java C, parent, child flow. If you see here, 2.classes file will be there, right? Let me close this Eclipse IDE. Fine. So now, if you go and see here, where it is, see here, parent.class, child.class, right? 2.class file will be created. So now here, Java child, right? I'm asking to JVM, please execute my child class. So now see the output, 0, parent static block, 0, child first static block, child second static block, 200, child main method. So this is the output, right? We are also.
Yes. Yeah.
See now? Same output?
Same out.
0,
Yes.
parent static block, 0, child first static block, child second static block, 200, child main method. Clear everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you give Java parent, you know, which class I'm giving? Parent class I'm giving. Okay. So what would be the output now? See, if I give child class, this is the output. If I give parent means what would be the output?
Out.
Attending it
When
will
you give
execute
parent
the
class, when you ask JVM to execute parent class, then which class will be loaded into the JVM?
Parent class only.
parent
Only
class.
parent class only will be loaded. Child class will not be loaded, guys. Understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you ask JVM to load child class, then automatically parent class also will be loaded. But when you ask parent class load into JVM, only parent class will be loaded. Child class will not be loaded. Clear?
Yeah.
Because what
Yes.
all the functionalities of parent class by default inherited to child class. But what are the functionalities we have in child class will not be inherited to parent by default, right? So that
Yes.
already we know. Right, we discussed, right, in inheritance concept. So now here, when you ask parent class to execute, okay, by JVM, so JVM only load what? Parent class into the JVM.
Parent class.
Okay, so now output will be something different now. Java parent, see now, 0, parent static block, 20, parent main method. Here, which main method is calling? Parent main method is calling. The earlier one what? Child main method. Understand?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, so now here, you want me to write that output also? Let me write here. When you use Java parent, okay, Java parent, what is the output, guys, here? First one is what?
0.
0.
0.
Parent
0,
static
parent
block.
static block.
Parent
0,
static
next one is what? Parent
20.
static block. Next one,
20.
20. Next one, parent main method.
Static.
Parent main method.
Parent main method.
This is the output, right? What is the output now? 0 parent static block, 20 parent main method. Okay. No need to explain, right? This one, I think already yesterday class. Okay, we saw what is the output if you have only one class, right? In static control flow. No need to explain.
Yes.
Can you go? Clear, guys, everyone? Shall we
Yeah,
go next
clear.
topic?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So this is what static control flow, guys. Okay. In single class, even parent and child classes. Hope you guys are clear on this. Do you have any questions?
No question.
Tell me, guys, if you have any questions. No, right?
No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So no.